the echo of eternity. The year was 2147, and Earth had changed beyond recognition. Cities stretched into the skies, their crystalline spires shimmering with the glow of fusion-powered lights. Artificial intelligence governed most aspects of human life, ensuring efficiency, sustainability, and a semblance of order. Yet beneath the veneer of progress, humanity grappled with a question that no machine could answer. What lay beyond the edge of the known universe? Dr. Alina Voss was among the few daring to ask. A theoretical physicist and the youngest recipient of the Nobel Prize for her work on interdimensional travel, Alina had spent her life peering into the cosmos. She was a dreamer, a seeker of truths hidden in the stars, and now she stood on the threshold of humanity's greatest endeavour, Project Echo. The Echo Drive was the culmination of decades of research and collaboration between Earth's brightest minds. It was designed to send a ship, the Eternity, beyond the observable universe by bending space-time itself. The goal wasn't just exploration, it was to uncover the origin of a mysterious signal, a repeating pattern of frequencies discovered emanating from a region of space where nothing should exist. The crew of the Eternity. The crew was small but elite, chosen not only for their expertise but also for their resilience. Captain Mira Calderon, a decorated astronaut with nerves of steel, commanded the mission. Dr. Elias Karim, a biologist specializing in xenolife, hoped to find evidence of alien civilizations. Lieutenant Zara Chen, an engineer with a knack for solving impossible problems, was responsible for maintaining the Echo Drive. Rounding out the team was Aris, an advanced AI companion designed to assist and protect the crew. Alina's role was pivotal, to interpret the signal and guide the ship through the unknown. She had spent years analysing its cryptic oscillations, convinced it was more than a natural phenomenon. It's a message, she had insisted during countless debates, and it's calling us. The leap into the unknown. On launch day, the world watched in hushed anticipation. The Eternity lifted off, its hull gleaming like a shard of moonlight. As the Echo Drive activated, space itself seemed to ripple, folding inward until the ship vanished. Inside the Eternity, the transition was disorienting. Stars stretched into streaks of light, then dissolved into an endless expanse of darkness. The crew's instruments struggled to make sense of their surroundings. They had entered the void. It wasn't long before the signal grew stronger. Alina, hunched over her console, deciphered patterns within patterns, like fractals blooming in an infinite garden. "It's guiding us," she murmured, her voice tinged with awe. The arrival after what felt like an eternity, they arrived at the source of the signal, a colossal structure floating in the void. It was neither natural nor entirely artificial, its surface shifting like liquid metal, yet etched with symbols that defied understanding. The crew dubbed it the Monolith. As they approached, Aris issued a warning. "Unknown energy field detected. Recommend caution." But caution was impossible. The ship was drawn into the monolith's gravitational pull, landing gently on its surface. Stepping out of the Eternity, the crew felt an overwhelming sense of reverence. The monolith's surface shimmered, responding to their presence. Symbols rearranged themselves, forming a doorway. Against Aris's protests, they entered. The revelation inside, they found themselves in a vast chamber that seemed to stretch infinitely. Holographic projections flickered to life, showing scenes of galaxies forming, civilizations rising and falling, and stars dying in silent beauty. The signal's origin became clear. It was a repository of knowledge, a library left by an ancient advanced civilization. At the centre of the chamber, a pulsating core emitted waves of light and sound. When Alina approached, the light enveloped her. She gasped as visions flooded her mind, memories of a race that had transcended physical form, choosing to preserve their wisdom for others to find. They had witnessed the birth of the universe and had foreseen its end. Their message was simple: you're not alone. Protect what you have, for existence is fleeting. The return. The crew returned to Earth as heroes, bearing the knowledge of the monolith. Humanity was forever changed. Wars ceased as nations united to protect their fragile planet. The stars, once a distant dream, became a promise of connection and continuity. For Alina, the message was personal. She spent the rest of her life sharing the monolith's wisdom, urging humanity to cherish their fleeting moment in the vastness of time. And as she gazed at the stars, she knew the echo of eternity would guide them all.